guys, welcome to my channel Viceman, and today I will show you that how can you add a manual grade column in your LMS Moodle. So first of all, if you are an instructor, be sure to go in edit mode. So you can just click over here and that will take you to the edit mode. Now as you can see, I have just went to this grades. So I'm just going from the first step. So let's say you just log into your LMS Moodle. You can see all this kind of window where you have all the courses in which you are the instructor in charge. Okay, whenever or you can see or where you are the course instructor. So now let's say I want to add a manual grading column to a course. Let's say its name is workshop practice, L2 is lecture 2. So how can you do that? Now as you can see on this top menu bar, you can see there are 5 different types of options available. Go to grades. Now if you go to grades, you can see that you have like if you already you have made a let's say a automatic quiz, or you can say the quiz that is inbuilt in this model. You can have a quiz 1, let's say quiz 3, like this over here. But let's say you want to make a manual entry of any other quiz 3 or quiz 4, or let's say mid-sem. So how to do a manual entry of any grades? So for that, what you need to do, first of all, be sure it's in edit mode. Now as you can see over here, you have this grade report icon. Click on that. You can find a toggle menu where you can have a setup option of gradebook setup. Click on that. So you are setting up this gradebook. Right now, as you can see, you have this add grade item. So click on that, and now you can put, let's say I want to add quiz 2 and I want to do a manual entry. I have to put I have to enter the marks of the students manually. So what I'm doing, I'm just writing I'm giving a name to that column, or you can say to the grade, which is quiz 2. It is a value, you have to put it. Maximum grade, you have to decide it. So if you take on a quiz, let's say it is of 30 points, you can put that maximum grade over here. Minimum grade is 0, and if you wish to write any other thing, you can just write over here. Okay, and if you want to give an extra credit to the students, you can give that also. But for my case, I am just need a new column, which is a manual column of quiz 2, and the maximum grade that the quiz 2 has is 30 points. So I am putting that values, and I am clicking on save changes. So if you click on save changes, you can see you get an option of continue. Click on that. Now you can see quiz 1, quiz 3 and quiz 2 is at bottom part, so you can just move it by clicking on this move up arrow. After clicking on that, just select where you want to move this quiz. So it is quiz 2, I will move it below the quiz 1, so I will click over here, and now quiz 2 is in between 1 and 3. And the weightage you can decide it afterwards, but the maximum grade has been decided is 30, and you can just manually edit this weightage also just by clicking over here. I'm not going to do this right now, I will do it afterwards, but you can just want to let you know, you can do this, you can change the weightage over here. Now click on save, and now you can go to grades again, and now as you can see, this quiz 2 column has been appeared, which over here you can do a manual input for this part. Okay, so that's how you can make a manual grade item for your course in LMS Moodle. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Viceman, and stay tuned for more such videos if you are using LMS Moodle.